Here's my theory on trade. What I think we need to do seriously, we need to start over. And we need to begin like you would in a neighborhood. If you want to get your, let's say, street to do a block party, the first people you go to is your next door neighbor, right? And you hopefully you've got a relationship with them. You haven't been a jerk to them. You've let them have a cup of sugar when they asked, and if they needed a tool or whatever. And so you've been a neighbor. And you go to them and you say, look, we could really all benefit by this block party if we got together. And I want to go to you first, right? And so we could do that in trade, right? So we should go to Canada and Mexico and say, you know what? First of all, we probably haven't been the best neighbor. We're going to change that. And secondly, we want to start something here. Let's figure out how we can create 3 really vibrant middle classes, right, in each of our nations. And we're going to bring labor to the table, and we're going to invest in our people, and you're going to invest in yours, and we're going to win together. This is how we're going to strengthen our continent, North America. And then once we have that, the 3 of us go to probably Brazil and say, you know what, Brazil, we know we've had trade agreements, but they really haven't served our people as well as they could have. And the 3 of us want to engage you. Now, we've got some critical mass, right? You want to sell in America, of course, we love buying stuff. But Canada and Mexico are on board now too. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. And let's bring your labor to the table as we brought ours. And we're going to strengthen your middle class, which will strengthen your democracy, which will bring stability to our hemisphere. And then the 4 of us go to Argentina. And we say, Argentina, we got some critical mass here. In other words, it's not, the way it's been framed so far, it's either been bilateral, which is one-on-one, which is not that strong because you're always limited in terms of the negotiation power, even as our country is so strong. Or the other thing that we've always done is these multinational pacts, which are they always become the least common denominator of trade. That's the way it always goes. And I want to bring out a third possibility, which is more relational, more building upon a vision and starting almost like a grassroots campaign and bring that into our trade agreements. What do you guys think of that vision?